Hi Chili. Right, we're going to do a test on a laptop charger, my laptop charger. It's plugged in to the unit. And the best test I've found for this is, so you've got your ID number, you know how to do that. Now you can use IT equipment, but that only gives you, and that's class 2, which is double insulated. You've done the training, so you should know all this. Handheld and portable equipment class 2 I'm finding is the best one. Now if you've got something, obviously you know class 1 you would use your earth clamp. So a kettle is class 1, you plug it in, you plug that onto the clamp, onto the element, and you get your earth reading. Obviously with class 2 equipment there is no earth. So I've found there's a couple of ways you can do it. You can either do it with number 2 on IT equipment, which is purely, it does a insulation test, or I found a slightly better one, and that's handheld and portable equipment number 2. So you press go, so you pass, let's have a look, you pass those 3 because you know that's all clean. Okay, so that's the next test now. It's a 2-second, it's a 2-second insulation test. So we'll press that. So that's going. So that one's fine. So that's clear. Now this is a 0.25 milliamp 5-second power test. Now this will power up the unit. So any issues, it'll bring out. So press your start button. Now the unit's going through a couple of different tests, and then it'll tell you that you're missing a fuse. Now it's open circuit, but it is open circuit because there's no earth. So press your green button and it'll go through the test. Now if you look at the laptop charger, that's now lit up, so we know that's testing and that's passed. And then you put all your information in, any description or any notes that you want to put in, and then you press OK, and it will store a result, and you're on to the next test. Just as a note, if you've done the training, so you should know this. If you've got a lead with the standard, that one there, on your pat tester, you've got that one, plug that into there, and this is a class 1 bit of kit. So if you've got anything like that, you just want to test the lead, you go ahead and do your new test. I'm just putting the number 3 in, press OK. Sorry. Now for this one you can use handheld or moving or static. See, moving or static, we'll go to moving or static class 1 230. You can use any of these. You can play about and decide what you want to do yourself to get a pass. This is just a standard lead one, so we're going to pass all 3 of those. Click OK. Right, that's going to give us a 5-second boost at 25 amps. This is just a low voltage test. You can get a whole high voltage test as well if you particularly want it. Pick one of the others. I can't remember which one it is off the top of my head. So that's okay. Then you're getting an HV insulation test. That's clear. Now it's saying there's no earth clamp. You don't need that, obviously, because you've got it plugged in. That's going through the test. And we know there's a fuse in there. There you go. And that's a pass. And that's basically it. Any issues, you give me a bell. Ta-ra, mate.